Yes, ladies and gentlemen, we are here powering beauty with clean energy. Let me give you a walkthrough of how we have installed the solar inverter system for this beautiful Mira Skincare and Spa right here in Lekki, Lagos. Come closer, let me show you. So this is the inverter unit and this is the battery. So right here we have a 10 kVA inverter system, and for the battery we have 20 kilowatt hour lithium battery bank, and we have 2 units of 10 kilowatt lithium battery bank. This is one of the battery bank, and right here we have the second battery bank because we had to optimize the space in this shop. So this is the second one, and we had to run through the roof to ensure we make the connections. And right here we have our changeover, and looking at our changeover, we have our grid and gen power supply, and we also have our inverter supply, on 2. And right here we have our breaker bus, and if you look at our breaker bus, we have protective devices that we have installed to ensure that the inverter system is well protected. You can see our surge protector, and then you can also see the energy meter that we've also introduced into the system to ensure that we record the output that the customer is also using, just for efficiency, and to also ensure that the inverter is serving the purpose for which the client has actually installed it. Right here we have the input breaker for charging the inverter system, and right here we have an AVR. The AVR is here to ensure that the voltage and current is actually optimized to a threshold that is suitable for the inverter. And then we also have the output breaker right here, just for in case of emergency, to trip off all the load right here. And that is what it looks like. And it's important to know that power is essential for every business. If you have not set up a solar inverter system for your business, today is the right time. Now is the right time to take that action. Let me speak to one of our customer and see what she has to say about this installation. Hi, Mira Skincare. Yeah. What do you have to say about your installation?
Oh, wow, I like the way you guys saw the installation. Very neat, very perfectly. Indeed, you guys are a professional.
All right. So what do you guys do?
Okay, we are into spa and skincare. We are into medical, spa and aesthetics. Yeah, we do all kind of facial, any kind of treatment, product implementation, and other products you need. We can help by recommending if you're having skin damaging, if you want to lighten up your skin, and many more.
All right. You heard it from the horse's mouth. They are here to provide quality and luxury services to you as well. So, and it is our joy to ensure that we were here to provide the power that will actually enable them to provide the services that you deserve. Rockview Energy for Africa.